This week we celebrated National Philanthropy Day on the 15th, and this is in recognition of all of the tremendous donors that give so much of themselves to all nonprofits, not just Inspira. We know that we would never be able to achieve all that we've achieved without the support of our donors, and we are so tremendously grateful for your generosity of your time, your talents, and your treasures. And so thank you so much for those of you who give. We certainly are tremendously grateful. So glad to tell you that we have vaccinated over 1,500 children. That's 1500. This is a very important focus of ours, especially as we're going into the holidays. We want to make sure that we have everybody in the household vaccinated before Thanksgiving if possible. So whether it be your booster shot, if you've already had both, for those 5 to 11, they're now getting their first shots. For those of us who are, all of us need to be thinking about flu season, which is up and coming. We need to make sure we're protected. All of those things, doing those will help us make sure that we actually can celebrate the holidays this year and not have to worry about having the uptick that is right now predicted by the State Department of Health. I want to tell you about one of the moms who was kind enough to share her story with me about her experience getting her children vaccinated, and we are thrilled to be able to do this for our community. It's just another example of how we're looking for ways to distinguish ourselves, making sure that we are there meeting your schedules, not just when it's convenient for us. So please think about that as you're doing your other prep for Thanksgiving. It really is important to make sure that we all go into this holiday vaccinated. On the 17th is Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease Awareness Day, and this is a very, very important area to focus on, especially during the times of COVID. So one of the things we're doing in conjunction with COPD awareness is that we will be out at Walmarts in Williamstown and Vineland with our teams of people talking about smoking cessation. We know that often those individuals who do smoke or have smoked can suffer from COPD, and so our teams are out there to share with you the programs that we have in place and also just to make sure we can get you connected to a healthcare provider. I'm thrilled to tell you about some of the amazing recognitions that we have been receiving. We have received the Most Wired Award for our 3 facilities, Mullica Hill, Elmer, and Vineland. And we really thank our IT team for all the things that they're doing, to make sure that our networks and our systems are secure and safe, but also to make sure that they're accessible to people when they are in the hospital, both our staff as well as our patients and their loved ones. So congratulations to all on that award. In addition, 2 of our facilities in Mullica Hill and Elmer have received Leapfrog letter grade A. And in Vineland, we missed it by just a hair. We got a B by a 0.003. But the teams have been working so hard to ensure the highest quality and making sure that we are being as safe as possible for our patients as well as our staff. So congratulations, guys. This is so much work to be able to do this. We are so very proud of you, and we look forward to continuing this effort. In addition, 2 of our colleagues were recognized this weekend. I had a chance to be with them. The Emergency Management Services team throughout the state of New Jersey, and actually there were folks there from all over the country. And we had 2 people recognized. Mark Chapman was recognized as the EMS Director of the Year. He has distinguished himself over and over again as that quiet, solid leader who was always there. And Larry Soy is a medic who's with us on our rigs. He provides education to the teams, as well as just, really make sure he is always present. Congratulations to both of you and to all of the EMS teams throughout the state, and especially here at Inspira, who have given so much during this global pandemic to make sure that we are all safe and got people to the services that they needed. So I want to share with you a story that was given to me by the wife of one of our patients. He was in for respiratory distress in our Vineland facility. While he was there, they recognized Todd Laconi for just his outstanding attention to detail. Not only is he an amazing respiratory therapist who clearly knows his trade, he listened to this family. The husband was very worried, got very anxious, and he stayed through the entire treatment. And those little things, all those extras, that staying that extra minute, even though they knew, as the wife said, it was probably going to slow him down the rest of the day, trying to anticipate when the family needs that, not just the clinical care we provide, but that human touch, the personal touch, the one that happens when you know that these are your friends and family and neighbors getting care, not just another patient. So I thank TJ and all of the team at Vineland and all of our facilities for your tremendous work. We are grateful for all that you do. And until we meet again, be well and stay safe.